Welcome back, Freedom Savers. I'm not going to go into all the details I just went into in my Roth video. I highly suggest you watch the Roth video because there's some big changes coming up for my channel and possibly my broker. Anyway, I'll do my best with the information that M1 is currently giving me to give you a portfolio update. The aggressive dividend portfolio is at $1,682.57, and I have 15 cents in cash. This is, I deposited some money on the 15th. I've decided I'm going to deposit $10 on the 15th of every month just to clean up the dividend mess, because what's been happening is I've been getting, if I can show you here, all of these, plus all those. Where is it? There we go. We've been getting this mess, right? So I get all this mess, and then since I'm not depositing and it hasn't built up to $10, then the same ones are paying more dividends, and the tracking of the dividends is getting totally screwed up. And then to top it off, M1 Finance isn't even tracking the dividends properly. I'm not showing I earn them in certain stocks. I'm not showing I get paid them in certain ones. And I talk more about that in the Roth video, so please watch that one. In the meantime, we'll just do our best with this one. So I deposit $1,550 total on this one. We're at $1,682.57, which means we're up to $132.57 or 8.55%. I am depositing $10 on the 15th of each month to clean up any dividends that are sitting there. On 3/15, it doesn't show a deposit on the activity tab. And this was 3/15? Yes, 3/15. So it doesn't show any deposit, and it does this on my Roth as well. I have no idea why. Just the deposit stopped showing up here. But I obviously did deposit. If you come over here, I deposited $10 on the 15th on the funding, but the activity just decided to stop telling me when I deposited. So yeah, and the dividends are really messing up on me to the point that I'm just kind of giving up on even tracking them properly, which is really disappointing. So yeah, anyways, I'm up 8.55 dividends. As far as I know, we've earned $16.79 plus the original 10 before they reset it, wiped out the tracking in the first place, which I got used to and didn't have a problem with. But, you know, now they aren't even tracking them properly. So, yeah. The yearly dividends, I didn't update. I'll be doing this once a month from here on out instead of every week. And that's all I really got for this portfolio. I'm sorry all of these portfolio updates this week are kind of depressing and just not exciting at all, but that's just kind of the mood I'm in. All right, guys, I hope you're all doing good. I hope your portfolios are being tracked properly and you can see all of your dividends earned and whatnot, because I can't. Talk to you in the next video. All right, guys, thanks for watching. I appreciate it. Be sure to hit that subscribe button down below, and if you liked the video, hit that like button for me. If you want to hear any specific type of information, anything that you're interested in, you have any questions, just drop me a comment down below. Let me know what you think. Let me know your opinions on this video or any other video I've made. And if you know anyone else that might be interested in this video, please be sure to share it on your social media and share the knowledge. Thanks, guys.